Tasks are like macros for PhoneTree. You can string together several commands and perform them with a single click on an icon on the task's desktop. Available commands include file importing, report printing, calling, and more. Here's how to create a task. We'll start by clicking the icon on the PhoneTree desktop associated with the PhoneTree we'd like to use. Then, from the Setup menu, we'll choose Task Icons. Now we'll click the Add button, type a name for our task, then click OK. Now we'll click OK here, then click the Modify Task button. First, on the Edit Icon tab, we'll choose an icon for the task. We'll select an appropriate one from the list. Now we'll click the Edit Task tab. On this screen, we'll specify the operations we'd like to incorporate into this task and which file, view, report template, translator, and so forth to use. Let's say we'd like to import a file, then call with this task. So we'll start by clicking the Add a Command to Script button, then choosing Import File. In this example, we know that our file will always be named the same way and will be located in the same place, so we will click the Yes button. If we were going to set up an automated task using a file trigger, we might click the No button. Because we clicked the Yes button, now we will be asked to locate our import file. Navigate to the place you know this file is now located and will be located any time you initiate this task. Once you have found the file, click the Open button. You may wish to have PhoneTree automatically delete the file after it has been imported. If so, click the Yes button. In this example, we'll click No since we will overwrite the file each time we update it later on. This next dialog box is asking how PhoneTree should handle the PhoneTree data file, which will be created upon import. Type O if you wish each import for this task to overwrite the existing PhoneTree file, A if you want to add to your existing PhoneTree file, N to create a new PhoneTree file upon import, or P if you'd like to be prompted each time you click on this task icon. For this example, we'll choose O for overwrite. Now we'll click OK. This screen confirms that we've added a command to our task script. We'll click OK. Now we need to add the call command, so we'll return to the Add a Command to Script button and choose Call View. This command will call using the most recent message we've sent from this PhoneTree. This screen confirms that we've added another command to our task script. We'll click OK. Now we need to be sure that the correct parameters are set on the bottom of the screen. We'll use the Employees PhoneTree file for this task, so let's select it from the File to Open drop-down menu. And we'll use the entire list view for this task, so this is now set correctly. Since we are not printing with this task, it's okay to have none chosen here, but we should choose the correct translator since we are doing a file import. Therefore, we'll choose CSV from this translator drop-down menu. If we had one or more tasks set up for this PhoneTree, we could choose one from the Chain To drop-down menu, which would mean that after this task is performed, the task we would specify here would then be performed next. Also, if we wish to use the on-demand service to place these calls, we'd be sure to check the box here. OK, our task setup is complete. Now let's click OK, then OK again, then return to the PhoneTree desktop, then we'll click on the Tasks tab. Now you can see our task icon is on the Tasks desktop, and anytime we click on the icon, the operations we specified will be performed with a single click. Let's watch as the task we just set up to import then call runs. It goes into the correct phone tree, imports the file we specified, then goes into the call center and starts delivering messages. Thank you for your interest in PhoneTree.